Meet the 2020 Opel Grandland X, a car that looks like it's ready to take you to work, to gym, and maybe even to your in-laws, but fast enough to escape right after. Let's see what makes this turbocharged family SUV stand out. From the side, the Grandland X has that confident SUV stance. Not too big, not too small. It's like the middle child of SUVs that actually gets attention for once. The floating roof design adds a nice touch too. These sporty alloys and thick tires are ready for city bumps and weekend road trips. Not too big but stylish enough to make you feel you're driving something fancy. Up front, we've got a bold Opel badge sitting proudly, LED headlights that wink at you, and a grille that says, "I'm in business." It's got that confident face that makes you look twice in your reflection. The Grandland X doesn't scream for attention, but it has that quiet confidence. Clean lines, a sporty rear slope, and chrome touches that make it look more expensive than it really is. It's the kind of a car you'd see parked at a restaurant and you'd think that person has their life together, or at least their car payments sorted. The back is clean and solid, LED taillights, a subtle spoiler, and dual fake exhaust tips because, well, car designers just love to tease us. But it works. It looks sporty, modern, and neat. Under the hood, you'll get a 1.6-liter turbo engine with 121 kilowatts, that's about 163 horsepower, and 240 Nm of torque. It does 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in around 9 seconds, which is quick enough to make your coffee spill if you're not careful. You also get a split folding rear seat and an optional power tailgate for those days when your hands are full of snacks and regrets. And yes, it comes with a spare wheel. No space saver donut nonsense here. Opel knew we don't have time to wait for roadside assist when there's work in the morning. Inside, the Grandland X feels cozy and classy. The dash is simple but smart. The infotainment screen is right where you need it. And the steering wheel feels sporty. It's like Opel said, let's make it nice, but don't confuse grandma with too many buttons. The gear level is smooth and short, easy to grab, easy to use. Around it you'll find the P button, traction control, and drive mode options. Everything is clean and within reach. Below that, you've got dual zone climate control because arguments about temperature should stay outside the car. And here's your 12V socket and USB port for charging phones, powering coolers, or pretending you're productive on a road trip. The front seats are comfortable and supportive, perfect for long drives or short grocery runs that somehow end at the beach. They are also heated, so winter mornings are not so cruel anymore. The back seats have good legroom, comfy cushions, and even rear air vents. Perfect for passengers who love complaining about how you drive. At least they'll be cool while doing it. Now, let's talk about how it drives. The 1.6 turbo pulls smoothly, the gearbox shifts quick, and when you floor it, it actually feels alive. In the city, it's quiet and relaxed. On highways, it cruises effortlessly, sipping around 7.0 liters per 100 kilometers. With a 53-liter tank, you can go roughly 700 to 750 kilometers on a full tank, depending on how heavy your right foot is. Now for the costs. Insurance is mid-range. Expect around 1,200 rands to 1,800 rands per month depending on your profile. If you finance it, a used Grandland X like this might set you back about 6,000 to 7,500 rands per month, depending on the deal and deposit. This car is up for sale. Check the description for more details. Maintenance is generally fair. Opel parts are not too expensive, but regular servicing is key. Reliability has been good overall, but watch out for turbo oil leaks and electric sensor faults. Nothing major, just things to check before you buy. And if we talk about living with it, it's an easy car to love. You get good comfort, space for the family, and it doesn't feel cheap. It's got personality without trying too hard. So, is it worth buying? If you want a stylish SUV that's quick, practical, and gives you that little turbo grin every time you drive, yeah, absolutely. It's like a secret luxury car that doesn't cost luxury money. That's it for this review. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and fun drives. Until next time, this is Kakai, and remember, drive safe, not sleepy.